Hello, Tipu Sultan here. And so many of you have been asking me, what happened with that little girl, Pluto? Well, she never answered. But she's not the only fish in the sea, as they say. I want to introduce you to Jessie, the beautiful Jessie, standing here with me. She's my next door neighbor, and we are such very good friends for many years now. And I think she's starting to really like me. I'm moving slow, but I think with a little more romance, she's going to come around. And until then, I can just be in love with those big ears and those big brown eyes and know that she's there. And I get to see her in the real person. Well, the real dog. Not like that Pluto. That's just some online character. This is Jessie, my love. So I just want you all to know everything's good here. We're not in such isolation. I have lots of animals to play with, and there's always Jessie, my beautiful neighbor girl.